Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I actually discovered an homemade remedy that the Japanese actually used to use that makes them look really young. So I'm sure you've have actually not used this particular one before. So I'm going to be showing you all of the ingredients and you're going to be loving it. It's going to reverse your age, it's going to remove dark spots, it's going to make it look beautiful. So thumbs up this video, subscribe and share, and let's dive into the video. Now one of the ingredients that I discovered is grape. Now grape is high in potassium, it's loaded with antioxidants, it prevents skin problems, and it's also good for the sight. It contains vitamins that helps to glow up the skin and nourish the skin. And then also we're going to be making use of rice. Now you can actually use either boiled rice or you can use rice powder. So any one you lay your hands on, it's perfect because we need the starch in this remedy to work really well. Okay, and then also we're going to be making use of black seeds. Now this is actually very perfect for the skin. It helps the skin glow, it fights aging signs, and it also removes dark spots. And then we're going to be making use of lemon essential oil. You can either use tea tree oil, lavender oil, or lemon oil. Any of this essential oil you can lay your hands on will be better because it helps so much in glowing up your skin. It also rejuvenates and makes the skin look really young, and it adds fragrance to your remedy. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut the grape, and we're going to be using just a little quantity of this grape. So we're going to be needing the juice of this grape, so I'm going to be pressing out the juice into a bowl. And this is it. Alright, now I'll have to be putting in 1 teaspoon of rice powder, and then we would have to stir it. One teaspoon of black seed, sorry, not the oil. And then some drop of lemon essential oil. About 3 drops is perfect. Now to dissolve this, we're going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of water, and then we would have to mix this all up. So since the consistency is not thick enough, we'd have to be putting in 1 more teaspoon of rice powder. Stir and watch. And this consistency is really good. Okay guys, so we'll have to go apply this onto the face, pack it all in, and then the work is done. Yeah, okay guys, so here it is, and for now I would have to be putting honey I would have to be putting honey. I forgot to tell you that. You would have to put in some honey in it. About 1 tablespoon of honey. That's what you're going to be using. And then you would have to also blend it, mix it, and the consistency is going to change just like this, and the color also is going to change just like that. Okay, so we'll have to be applying it onto our skin evenly. And this is actually good for dark spots. It's going to glow your skin even more. Okay, so sometimes you have to treat your skin, like you have to give your skin a treat by using this at least once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Okay, it's not a remedy you use every day, but something that you have to use once in a week or once in 2 weeks. I like the way you spread it onto your skin, like. Okay, so for this particular one, when you're done applying it, you would have to give it a little massage. Okay, just a little friendly massage, not too much, because the particles in the rice is still there. So just a very light massage, especially at your nose area where you tend to experience white edge and black edge, and at your T-zone is this place, you tend to scrub it in a circular motion. Okay, and that will help to remove all of those age spots, and it will also help you glow really well. When you use this once in a week, man, you're gonna love it. This natural things work really well, but sometimes you have to be, you have to give it time to work on your skin, and then you also have to be consistent, and it works really, really well. You don't need too much of expensive cream or too much of expensive soap and all of that. Just be consistent in using the natural homemade remedy.
Yeah, don't expect magic.
Yeah, don't expect magic.
Because the dark spot didn't come in just one day.
Yeah, so it comes gradually, so it has to go gradually also. And the aging, the fine lines and also the wrinkles would have to, start stretching out, and your skin would be pumping like soft, Okay, so after this you have to go wash it off, and then you have to use the lukewarm water or cool water, and consistency would make this pop. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Using grape alongside with rice, like, it does a whole lot of work on the skin. Like, are you kidding me? This is actually my first time of using this, and it makes my skin look or feel really, really soft and tight. Okay, so this really work really well, and I'm loving it. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.